Hello, Adam. I want to play a game. You've lived your life surrounded by people who only hurt you. Today, you will cause pain. You never had the courage to free yourself. Now you have to prove to me that you deserve your life. You have 100 points. If the points reach zero, the mechanism implanted in your body will trigger the red light and explode. Your enemies that you call friends are in the game. You'll have to think carefully. Is it worth saving a filthy soul? Good luck. You'll need it. What is the meaning of life, Adam? Why are you here? Your friend Kareem is trapped. The pendulum above him will rip your belly open in 60 seconds. You just need to take the key that is in front of you in this glass cube. Is it worth risking your life to save your friend? Remember that he already denied you help when you needed it the most. Live or die, make your choice. Let the game begin.
Help me! Help! No! Help me! Please! Help! No! Help me! Help! No! Help me! Help!
Are you still alive? I'm impressed. Let's start the second game. In front of you is your friend Raymond. In 1 minute, the device attached to his body will trigger, ripping off his arms and head. But you can save him. Just find 3 pieces in the room, place them on the panel, and turn off the machine. If you need a clue, the dolls might be able to help you. Now let's get started. The clock is ticking. free, you must first teach other people how to be free. In front of you are your best friends, Pasquale, Lorenzo, and Gregorio. They can't see or hear you. They all owe you a lot of money, and we know they'll never pay you back. The door will open in 30 seconds. If all three are still alive, you lose 30 points. If only 2 are left alive, you lose 20 points. If there's only 1 left, you lose 10 points. Or, kill them all and proceed without losing any points. The choice is yours. What is the price of freedom? Does it mean just surviving my game, or destroying those who hurt you? Your friend Simon is trapped in a glass cabin. It's impossible to break. He's not a good friend though. While you were working, he was at your house having sex with your wife. I'm giving you the chance to take revenge, if that is the choice you make. You'll have 1 minute to kill him. You won't lose any points, but you'll go down the road to hell. If he's still alive, you'll go to heaven, but you'll lose 50 points. Let the game begin. Congratulations, you've reached the end. Now is the time to be truly free. It is time to free yourself from everything that hurts you. This woman has sworn to be faithful to you as your wife, but she has betrayed you, and you are incapable of doing anything. Today, I give you a gift, a way to get revenge and free yourself. Just flip the lever and it's all over. You will be free. This is your last game. Do it, or rot in this room for all eternity.